What's up, guys? I'm trying here again with Joseph DePoistre with his new hat. Sorry for the delays of videos. We've been at school. Tonight we're gonna install this JDM. Probably not really JDM, but hazard light. And I don't know what else we're gonna do tonight, honestly. But catch you then.
The best part about these videos is, you know, that somebody's gonna be like going back on the old videos and they're gonna stumble across these and be like, damn, those dudes are fucking goofy.
Yeah.
Hey, Suki. Hey. Oh, you're so cute. Hi. Hi. Nice one. Nice, Suki. Hey. Okay. Nice one.
Look at me like it locking up. Do you film? Oh, you are filming. Okay. We're not gonna try to destroy this plastic that was Brendan did with me, but it probably will break, or not break, but rip. I don't know. I hate doing this. Maybe we should take out. Oh wait, what am I doing? First step first, guys.
Okay, I don't. Hold on.
What?
This is the way. No! It's for the viewers.
No, but.
Oh wait, here are the extras I got. Oh, hold on.
We're getting there. Maybe we should just take. Maybe you can just. I don't know. I think I just take this out.
You gotta get that angle. This is a good angle.
Is it really? Oh, here we go. No! We're having a problem. I don't want to like rip it out, but I might have to. Hold on.
Oh yeah. Some softcore Subaru for you. Wait, don't you gotta take out the button?
What do you mean take out the button? We are taking out the button. This is how you take out the button. I'm breaking shit. Maybe not really. Why? Oh, okay. There you go.
Na 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 na.
Oh! Oh! Where'd it go?
Wait, we're about to do.
How'd you get it?
About to do the install, ready?
Wait, Jojo, wait. How did you get that?
Boom.
How'd you... Oh, it doesn't make the click. The satisfying click. Oh, well.
Wait, does this one?
Yeah, this one makes... Oh.
Maybe we can swap over the click part. Maybe that one's broken.
I don't want to be broken. It's JDM as crap. Monitor. You too. So, yeah. Here's the install. It's red.
Wait, it's not done yet. We gotta
Well, it's not done yet, no.
We gotta put it in here.
Okay. What if it doesn't fit? Like the connector?
Does it fit?
No, I don't know.
Wait. You gotta... Usually when it doesn't fit, you gotta like bring it out a little bit and then just try again, you know?
There we go. We got it! Okay, now shove this back in there. Should I put this here? I should start this. Look at it. Look at our plastic. It's getting wrecked.
Something's gonna break.
No, it isn't.
Something's gonna...
No! This is how you put this back in. Just kind of... There you go, see?
You gotta caress it.
No, you just
Did we
gotta
even...
shove it in.
Did we even put any of the screws in back in?
No.
Just going screwless?
Well, it's already been screwless. I don't know where that screw was popped out anyways. I don't want to...
Let's do a screwdriver check.
Roll call.
Got one.
We got it kind of in.
Brought 4.
Wait, I have one. Two, actually I have 2. Okay, we almost have it in, guys. Or the cup holder, which takes 5 years to put in. You gotta kind of just in there. Okay, it's not going in. Should we lube it up?
No, just spit on it.
Just spit on it? Natural lube. Yeah, this is the problem that I always face when I take this out and we put back in. Okay. Maybe we'll go. Okay, we got it.
Here.
No, do you want it, Joe?
Yeah.
Okay, we got it.
Oh. See the reflection? Want me to go outside?
You can go outside.
Alright.
I gotta put this thing back on.
That's the hardest part. This ghetto ass.
It's all dicked. Was it this far down?
Yeah.
I don't remember. Yeah, probably. Here, let me do one more. Let me loop it around. Oh yeah, no.
Well, now it's gonna swing into your LCD.
That's always. Oh, look at that! It lights up.
Wow.
No.
Wait, let's go in the dark.
Okay.
Put that maybe in reverse.
That's so awesome. That just makes it 10 times better. That's JDM.
Focus.
JDM, guys. JDM.
So if you like what you see, go ahead and drop a like, comment, subscribe.
Are we ending it right now?
Peace.
Come on, end it.
And keep moving forward.
So we're gonna be. That's the end of the install for the JDM thing. That lights up.
Yeah.
Did not know we had that.
Look, I'm getting beat by my girlfriend again.
Yeah, we're playing PUBG. So we're ending right now. I guess catch you guys hopefully tomorrow, because I want to start making videos almost every day. Hopefully, let's try to. But so I guess yeah.
Push me to the edge.
All my friends are dead. So I guess peace out, guys. See ya.